If you don't already know me, my name is Jody and I'm the owner of All About the Harvest, where I teach people how to grow, use, and preserve their harvests. Preserving food is a passion of mine, and canning is my favorite way to do it. I started canning food more than a decade ago, and I'm still canning new things each year. I only follow safe, tested, and approved canning recipes and procedures, and you can rest assured that I will teach you how to can the safe way. In my Pressure Canning with Confidence course, you will learn how to safely and confidently pressure can foods at home so you can fill your pantry with shelf-stable foods. Pressure canning allows you to can foods like meats, fish and seafood, vegetables, soups, broths, and more. Many people are fearful of pressure canning due to stories or images of pressure canners exploding. In this course, I help to dispel that fear by teaching you everything you need to know to safely and confidently start pressure canning. This course is perfect for anyone that wants to advance their canning skills to the next level by learning how to pressure can. Most students that take this course already know how to water bath can, but want to learn how to can even more types of food with pressure canning. If you are brand new to canning, you may want to start with my Water Bath Canning with Confidence course, as water bath canning can be less intimidating. That being said, you can still start with pressure canning if that is what you prefer. My courses are designed to be able to be taken by someone with no prior canning knowledge. They can also be taken independently of one another, so if you want to jump into pressure canning first, then by all means do it. Next, I'll discuss what I cover in the Pressure Canning with Confidence course. In Module 1, you will learn the history of canning and how that shows up for us today. You will learn the foods that need to be pressure canned versus water bath canned, and the foods that you can't can at all. I also discuss the newer electric programmable pressure cooker/canners and why you shouldn't use them for pressure canning. In Module 2, you will learn about the various choices you have for pressure canning equipment and why you might choose one piece of equipment over another. I tell you my recommendations and I give you detailed equipment and resource guides with links to each item. I also discuss proper storage of your canning equipment and supplies. In Module 3, we will dive deeper into pressure canners and what you need to know to ensure you are pressure canning safely. Safety is a big concern for most canners, especially when it comes to pressure canning. I am a huge advocate for following safe, tested, and approved processes and procedures, and to make sure you feel comfortable operating your pressure canner. You can rest assured that what I am teaching you is safe. In this class, you will learn about botulism, sterilization, why both your altitude and headspace matter, pressure canner maintenance, and more. In Module 4, I explain the pressure canning process in detail from start to end. This is an overview, so we are not actually canning during this module. I am prepping you for canning by talking you through each step of the process in detail. In the next module, we are actually canning together. In Module 5, we are canning together. During this module, I am actually walking you through the process of pressure canning green beans. I break this down into 2 videos. The first video is prepping the food for canning and getting everything ready to start the canning process. The second video is actually walking you through how to pressure can the green beans step by step. This module is made so you can watch each video ahead of time to learn exactly what you need to do. Then, when you are ready to prep and can by yourself, you can play each video during the process so you know exactly what to do and when. You can pause each video as needed while prepping or canning and start the video again when you need to be reminded of the next step. At the end of this module, you will have pressure canned your first food to add to your pantry. In Module 6, I discuss in detail everything you need to know for each category of food you can pressure can. I break this down into smaller videos based on the type of food you'll be canning. Those categories include tomato products, vegetables and beans, meats, fish and seafood, soups, broths, and combination foods. I have done this so that when you are canning meat for the first time, for example, you will only need to rewatch the meat video to refresh your memory on the things you will need to know when canning meat. That being said, I encourage you to watch all of the videos in this module before canning anything else, as there is a lot of useful information in this module. With this course, you are also getting a bonus class. In this bonus class, you will learn how you can can foods all year long, regardless of where you live. You'll also learn how you can stay connected with me should you have any additional questions. And finally, you will learn how you can get an additional surprise bonus, so make sure you watch this class. I hope you found this video helpful. When you're ready to get started on your canning journey, click on the link or button below to purchase this course. If you feel that water bath canning might be a better match for you at this time, you can purchase my Water Bath Canning with Confidence course at www.allabouttheharvest.com. I look forward to having you as a student.